Association of Lakshman Gauns. She is the Vice President of the association. Sushant Tuekar, Secretary of this association. We have members of the committee, Jagdish Desai. Today, first of all, I thank you everyone for your continuous support to our association. Last time we had a press conference for a program that we had organized, which was widely during this program, Kala Gurujan 2025, that was held in Ravindra Bhavan on 29th April 2025. On behalf of Goa, me as the president, I had a request along with the officials of our Department of Education to approve or grant the special medical leave for critically illness people, particularly teachers, those who are suffering from critical illness, for a purpose of treatment of these conditions. And the Chief Minister, during his speech itself, agreed, after speaking to a Secretary of Education and the officials, agreed for granting this medical leave, special medical leave for teacher for the treatment and for the follow-up. This has been approved, and day before yesterday, just 2 days back, the circular is issued by Education, 65 days for the terminally ill teachers. हांव म्हणटा आसतना म्हणटा देवा कडेन मागतलो की अशें कोणाक जावचें ना, टर्मिनली इलनेस कोणाकच जावचो न्ही, कोणूच म्हणनात. बट अश्यो केसीस लक्षांत आयल्यो की तांकां खूब फ्रॉम प्रायमरी टू हायर सेकंडरी मेडिकल लीव हो प्रकारच ना. सो आनी अशें जेन्ना डिसीज जाता किंवा इल जाता मनीस, ताका लॉंग टर्म ट्रिटमेंट जाय पडटा. अशा काळांत हे तांकां हेल्पींग हँड कोणाक चुकून जालो जाल्यार एक रिलीफ मेळटलो अशें आमी खरेंच अशें कोणाचेर अशें पाळी जायत जाल्यार हातूंतल्यान एक आमकां रिलीफ मेळटलो अशें दिसता. त्या खातीर आयज आमी तुमच्या तर्फे गोंयचे मुख्यमंत्री ताणें कन्सिडर करून गोंयचो प्रमोद सावंत ताणें हें अप्रूव केलें. त्याच बरोबर डिपार्टमेंटाचे ऑफिशियल्स आनी वेगवेगळी इनवॉल्वमेंट आसता सपोर्ट करून ते सर्क्युलर काल भायर सरले. त्या खातीर हांव तांकां तुमच्या माध्यमांतल्यान थँक्यू म्हणटा. आनी हाच्या फुडें जर ताका कितें अमेंडमेंट किंवा मॉडिफिकेशन, आमी मेडिकल एक्सपर्ट न्ही, बट डेफिनेटली वी वील what exactly that, because it's said terminal illness, we will go through our appropriate authorities and the Honorable Chief Minister and request whatever required to be done, kindly do it. So once again, we thank our government, particularly Education Minister and Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant, and the officials of the issuing this circular.
Higher secondary teachers from primary
No, this is from primary to higher secondary.
some teachers
Around approximately over 13,000. 13,000 पेक्षा चड टीचर कवर जाता. फायदो असो आमी म्हणनात, कवर जातले गरज पडली कोणाक जाल्यार. चड अशें चड नंबर आसना, बट चुकून कोणाक जालें refreshment.
Any other demands that you
I have one demand, but it is under all other working people, including college section staff. They are given promotions after 20 years in scale, 10 years, 20 years and 30 years, except these primary to higher secondary teachers, where this facility is not there. And in Goa, you all are aware that most of the teachers are teaching in aided institutions. These are the rare cases. People who work for 30 neither get higher post nor get enhanced scale after 24 years. So that becomes a stagnation in the service that we are continuously following up. So far, it is already requested. Let us see what best comes up. Demands were put. So this first, as in government schools, and there are promotions from assistant teacher is promoted to grade 1 teacher or ADI, then headmaster, then vice principal, then principal. And even government offices, they are promoted assistant director. But aided institutions, teachers stagnated. So only option is after 12 years, option in scale, pay scale, and then after 24 years, then stagnation. Nothing happens. Rarely somebody becomes principal or headmaster.
24 years. Increment.
Increment every year. हे आम्ही डिमांड पयलीं केल्ले अजुनी ना अशें जावना. इट इज अंडर कन्सिडरेशन इन द प्रोसेस. बट दिस वन इज अप्रूव्ड अँड सर्क्युलर इज इश्यूड.
एडिट स्कुलांना
एडेड स्कुलान ना म्हणल्यार हेडमास्टर आसात न्ही प्रमोशन फक्त एकच पोस्ट असतात.
तो आणि
ना खुबशे लोक अशेच रिटायर जातात.
असिस्टंट टीचर मागीर एडीआय
असिस्टंट टीचर पयलीं
असिस्टंट टीचर एट मागीर
मागीर एडीआय हेडमास्टर प्रिन्सिपल